Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, and in the last video tutorial I discussed about some modifying tools like move, copy, stretch command, rotate, mirror and scale command. And in today's video tutorial I am going to discuss some more tools in modifying panel, and these are like trim and extend command, and next is fillet, chamfer and Blendcurve. So I'm going to discuss each one and I will be more focusing on our architectural part. So I'm going to select this trim command first, and the shortcut is TR on your computer screen. So I will use trim command for creating any cutout or cut in line or opening. So suppose this is my plan of bedroom and I want some opening here for door to our garden area or something. So I am going to draw a line here, and now I will give one opening like two lines. I am not giving any exact distance. So I'm going to enter TR command. Now I will select objects. Okay, so I'm going to select these two lines, and now I am going to enter again, and now I will trim this line off, trim this line off. So this is opening is created using trim line. Also, if you want to trim this off, also you can use TR, enter, select the lines from here. I want to trim this off, so I'm going to select this line. Again, you are going to enter and now select this line. So I will repeat again. I am going to trim this line on my left side. So I have to select this line, the left line. For right side, I have selected this right line. I am going to enter again. Please listen carefully. TR, enter. I am going to select this first line, and now I will again enter, and this is my second line. So likewise, I will repeat here also. I want to trim this line. TR, enter. I'm going to trim this off, so I'm going to select this line, again enter, and this line. So on the left side also TR, enter, and I'm going to trim this. So this is the basic process of working in AutoCAD plans on trimming. Suppose if you want to trim this wall between these two lines very quickly, you have to enter TR and double enter or double click on your space key on your keyboard, and this line is trimmed off. So I'm going to discuss next command. Now the next command is extend. So a shortcut command is EX in your command panel, EX, extend. So suppose it is used for extending any lines beyond it's like suppose I want to extend this line till here, this wall till here I want to extend. So you have to enter EX, extend, enter, and now it's asking extend selected object. So I am going to select the I want till here, and now I am going to select I am going to enter again, and I am going to select this line to this line. So this is the process of extending, and I am going Control Z, and now I am going to extend this line here till here. This I just now I have created trim and created opening here, so I am going to join this line till here. So I am going to enter EX, and I have after entering EX you have to hit and enter again, and now I am going to select this line because I want this line to join till here. So again you have to hit enter, and now you select the lines. So now it is extended till here. So this is the process of working with extend command, and I am going to extend this again this line till this window line. So I am going to select this window, this line. I'm going to enter EX, and now I'm going to select this line, and now I am again going to enter, and now we'll change this line. I think it's in block form, so we can't create. So you have to unblock this first. I'm going to float, and now these are individual line. So now we can create extend command. So if it's in block form, you cannot create extend command, so you have to be careful. EX, enter. Now I'm going to select this window, enter, and now you will select this line and this line. So you can see clearly that how we to efficiently use extend command in AutoCAD drawings and drawing floor plans. So this is about extend command. Now the next is fillet command. So fillet command, how we will use. Suppose I'm going to trim this off. Suppose I have created these lines like this, and it's not joined. Fillet command is used for joining any lines and creating angular with a curve shape like joining. So I am going to use shortcut command F, enter, and now it will ask fillet select first object. So I have to select the first object. Either you can use radius, trim, or multiple or polyline. So I am going to use radius, which is used mostly. And now it will ask specify fillet radius. So you have to give some radius. So if you want to join 90°, so you will enter radius value 0. So I'm going to now it's asking select first object. So I'm going to select this first object, and now this second object. Again, you have to click a space bar on your keyboard, and the command will be active. And now I'm going to select this one to this one. This is the process of fillet with radius 90°. So now if you want to some curve like things here, some curve and some pathway, if you are drawing or anything, or your plan is like this, so how you will do some curve shape. So I'm going to enter F, and now I'm going to enter radius R, and now I'm going to give this value fit, and now I am going to select my first line and second line. Now you can clearly see that this is a very nice curve because I have given radius value fit. Again, you hit a space key on your keyboard and the command will be active. I am going to select this line and this line. So this is also fit, and it's a nice fillet with a radius value fit. So I am going to again, if you going to fillet command, and now I am going to select this trim, and now it will ask fillet enter trim mode on. So and no trim. So if you want to trim this, you can use this trim, and now you can enter radius value, and I'm going to enter 4 feet this time. Now you will select the object. So you are clearly saying this is radius value was earlier 3 feet. So it is using trim command to trim this off. And what will happen if you select no trim option? So I'm going to fillet F, enter, trim, and now I'm going to select this no trim option, and I'm going to enter this radius, and radius value I'm going to enter this time in 4 feet. And now I am going to select this line and this line. So you can clearly see that the original line is not getting trimmed off. So this you can use for understanding. Mostly we will use radius value for in architecture plans. And again I am going to my fillet command, and now I am going to enter this multiple. This is used for multiple fillet. Like suppose I have drawn these lines here, Now am I going to draw multiple lines here, again some lines here, and now I am going to enter F, and I am going to select multiple, and I am going to select radius value here, and forfeit I will leave and enter. Now I am going to select this line to this line, again this line to this line, and now can do multiple fillet using this command, and according to your shape you can draw multiple shapes. And again I'm going to use these two circles, and I'm going to enter fillet, and I'm going to enter radius value 4 feet and enter. And now I'm going to select this circle, and I'm bringing this mouse to this circle, and you can see very nice tangent like curve things is drawn. You can use to draw swimming pools or pathways or landscape you can use. And you can later, if you want to trim this off, you can use TR trim, select this line, and if you want to trim this, you can trim this off. So how can you efficiently use trim command and fillet command, you have to understand in architecture. So again I want to trim this off, TR this line, and now you can trim this off. We'll discuss about this now chamfer command. So suppose I have drawn one rectangle here, and I want to draw chamfer here. So I am going to enter shortcut command CHA for chamfer here, and you can also select it from here after fillet chamfer command. So I'm going to select my first line. This is saying chamfer select first line and do polyline distance angle trim method or multiple. So mainly we'll use distance and angle, and trim is also like same you have used in fillet command. So I am going to enter select my first line here, and now it's asking chamfer select second line or distance angle. So I going to select this distance or enter D here. It's asking chamfer SY first chamfer distance, so I am going to enter here 6 feet, and now chamfer SY second chamfer distance also I am going to enter 6 feet, and now it's asking chamfer select second line, so I am going to select the second line. So you can see this is chamfered at 6 feet. So if you want to verify, you can draw one line here. We'll check, and one line here, and draw one line here. So no need of this line, sorry. So you can delete this off, and you can measure the distance from this corner and this corner. So I'm going to enter DLI for measuring distance, and you have to zoom this out because it is not set 6 feet, correct. And also you can enter 6 feet here, so this is correct. So our chamfer is correct here. So next is I want to chamfer two angles, so I am going to enter chamfer for CHA chamfer, and now I am going to use this angle, and now it's asking chamfer SY length on the first line. So I'm going to SY angle on this line, chamfer length. I'm going to use 5 feet, and now it's asking specify chamfer angle from the first line. So I'm going to select this first line. I'm going to enter 45, and now it's asking it's a chamfer select first line or angle. So I'm going to use angle, and now it's asking specify chamfer length of the first line. So I'm going to enter 5 feet, and now it's asking chamfer angle from the first line is 45. I'm going to enter, and now I'm going to select this line and this line. So this is chamfer at 45. So You can measure it by drawing line, and you can use dim angular, this one and this one. So this is 45 degree, so it is correct. So you can use this method of chamfer, and slowly you will understand. And suppose if you want to chamfer multiple lines, so I'm going to use rectangle command. And suppose if you want to chamfer all this together, so you are going to enter CHA chamfer, and now I'm going to use multiple, and now I'm going to select this first line, and again it's asking second line, so I'm going to enter distance D, and now I'm going to enter 4 feet here distance. It's asking second chamfer distance, so I'm going to enter 4 feet this also, and select second line, so I'm again going to enter 4 feet. I'm going to select this one and this one. Suppose I want to chamfer all this together, so I'm going to enter CHA, and now I am going to select my first line, and it's asking second line or distance angle method, so I'm going to use distance method, and it's asking first chamfer distance 4 feet, I'm going to enter, and second chamfer distance also 4 feet, so I'm going to select second line, and it's a 4 feet distance. So command is not active, I am going to use multiple, so I'm going to use CHA again chamfer, and I'm going to use this multiple, and now I'm going to enter first line, my this one, and select second line or give distance method, I'm going to use D, and again it's asking first chamfer distance 4 feet and second chamfer distance also, so I'm going to select this line, and now you can see command is still active, this one to this one, this one to this one, this one to this one. So this is a method of drawing chamfer command here. And now the next one is blend curve. So blend curve is, if you see the definition of here, blend curve is saying it's a tangent or smooth spline between two endpoints of open curve. So if any two lines, it will create blend curve. Suppose I am going to use this command from blend curves. I'm going to select this, and now I want to create any tangent line between this and this. I'm going to select this line and this line. You can see a curve line is created. So it is used for drawing some curves or tangent. You can draw any tangent between any distance, and suppose I want to create any tangent from here till here, you can draw this. You want from here and till here, you can draw tangent. So this sometimes it is very useful. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next section I will come with some more commands in AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.